Why doubt in God? Well, God or divine or nature, you can call it by any name, or a supreme power, whatever it is, it's a currency that you live with. So you have faith in the bank and hope in God. My point is just reverse it. Have your faith in the God and hope in the bank. Then you have a good currency to live by. So faith, hope, which is your currency of choice? Where do you give your hope? And how do you put your faith in God? When you lose all the hope, then you can only live by faith. So faith is a permanent currency. Hope is a destabilizing currency, and therefore you have doubt. So have faith in the nature, you will be cared for. Enjoy your faith.